the right anatomical position of the pancreas along with the duodenum. So this is the duodenum, this is the pancreas, this is the head, neck, body, tail. There is this uncinate process over here, and there is tuber omentum upward extension over here. Okay. Now the now the boundaries and the surfaces of head are only the head are superior border, inferior border, right lateral border. Surfaces are superior surface, inferior surface. Okay. Surfaces are anterior surface, posterior surface. Borders are superior, inferior, right lateral. Now the relation. Now of the neck. Now एकदा हे करते थांब.
सायमल्टेनियसली चेक करते
चल थांब एक. Now of the neck there is there is anterior surface, there is posterior surface, there is no superior inferior border, only of the neck. And now of the body there is superior border, inferior border and anterior border. Okay, here would be the anterior border. Superior border, inferior border, anterior border. Now the surfaces of the body are posterior surface, anterior surface and inferior surface. Okay. Now continue. Now the relations of head, neck, body and tail. So one by one, relations of the borders of the head are, so this is the superior border. So the superior border is related to the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery.
and
Right?
first part of duodenum.
And first part of duodenum, as we can see. Now the right lateral border is related to the second part of duodenum, and the inferior
Terminal
border.
part of bile duct and
अरे यार
anastomosis between.
नाही सगळं नको यार
सगळं नको?
नो कंटिन्यू करतो. Okay, so the superior border of the head is related to the first part of the duodenum and to the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. The right lateral border of the head is related to the second part of duodenum, and the inferior border of the head is related to the third part of the duodenum. Now the relations of the surfaces of the head. So this is the anterior surface of the head, which is related to the first part of duodenum. To the below it is the transverse colon, and downmost is jejunum. Now relation of the posterior surface of the head would, from the medial to lateral side, would be bile duct, inferior vena cava, right crus of diaphragm, and there is aorta over here. As I said, there is this uncinate process over here. Okay, so the anterior relations of the uncinate process are the superior mesenteric vessels. Now, actually, as I said, the relation of the anterior relation of the uncinate process is superior mesenteric vessel. Okay, it is not the posterior. Now relation of the neck. बोलो. Now relation of the neck. Pause कर. So now the relations of the neck are anteriorly the neck is related to the pylorus of stomach. See, there is stomach over here, and there is like this is cardiac, and this is the pyloric end. So this is pylorus of stomach. So the neck is related anteriorly to the pylorus of stomach, and posteriorly the neck. The posterior relation of the neck is the termination of the superior mesenteric vein and the initiation of the portal vein. Pause. Okay, now the relation of the borders of the body is so the anterior border is related to the root of the mesocolon of the right? It is related to the transverse colon. Okay, the anterior border is related to the transverse colon. The superior border is related to the
Celiac
trunk. Sorry. The upper border is related, the superior border is related to the splenic artery. The point is there about the tuber omentum there is celiac trunk. Right of the the right branch of the celiac trunk is the hepatic artery, and the left branch of the celiac trunk is the splenic artery. So here would be the splenic artery. Okay, and now relation of the inferior border. is like at the right of the inferior border there would be superior mesenteric vessels. Pause. So now the anterior surface of the body is related, is basically covered by peritoneum, and it is related to the stomach and to the lesser sac. Lesser sac is okay if you don't remember. Anterior surface of the body of the pancreas is related to the aorta along with the splenic artery. Then there is second one.
Superior mesenteric artery.
Sorry, cut. The posterior relation of the body is like this is the body. The posterior relations of the body are aorta along with the superior mesenteric artery. Second is kidney. Third is suprarenal gland, that is adrenal gland. Third is left crus of diaphragm. Fourth is left renal vessels. Fifth is splenic vein. Now I want to tell something. Only remember three, that is aorta, then kidney and suprarenal.
Vessels. That is
Bus. And now the relations of the relations of the inferior inferior surface of the body. Basically the inferior surface of the body is covered by peritoneum, and it is related to the duodenojejunal flexure, coils of jejunum and left colic flexure. See, it is related to the inferior surface is related to the left colic flexure. It would be somewhere over here. Then it is related to the coils of jejunum, which would be over here, and that's it. Remember only two. Now, the last one, the tail of the pancreas. See, basically there is spleen over here. So the tail of pancreas is related to the lower surface of the lower part of the gastric surface of the spleen. That's it.